I have some amazing products to share with you. I can't wait for you to see them. Are you ready? First of all, hello. It's a horizontal stage card. Now, if you took our baby jungle class, you got in on the vertical stage card. Well, this one's the horizontal version. And let me tell you, I jam-packed this die set. So much that there's an extra backing card in here because it wouldn't all fit on here. Now, this is amazing and part of the bundle on the first. Club members, yes, you get your club discount. Even if it's on flash sale, you get that double discount, which is amazing. Now, absolutely awesome. When you see my samples, you will fall over, so stay tuned. I also am releasing today, and if you get it the first 24 hours it's on the website, it'll be on flash sale. My favorite words are flash sale, let me just tell you. This is the solid stamps to go to our club set. So here's our club stamp set, right? Well, some of you, and sometimes that includes me, but now that I have my tri-blend markers, I'm a different human, but solid stamps. Sometimes you need it to be a little faster. So now there are solid stamps that go in there. Now, I did these all separate because you're not going to want all of those flowers to be the same color, right? But what I did on this sheet to make sure you would know which flower goes into which flower is I made it so where they are on the sheet is where roughly they are on the wreath. So for example, this pointy one right here goes to this one right here. This one right here goes to that one right here. So it goes pretty much exactly in order, just kind of goes off a little so they have room, but then you'll know. So what I recommend is you do one at a time and put it right back where it goes so you'll always know where it goes in this wreath. And let me tell you, you're gonna love this one. I also did, I did the little flowers as one big stamp. I'm sorry, two, 1, 2. So you could do those pretty much in the same color because they're so little itty itty. Oh, you're gonna love it. You guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna be a knock your socks. Oh, and it also says, hello, my friend, which technically I say pretty much every single time, right? Now, but not to be outdone, more words for the center of our wreath. I wanted you to use this wreath year round, all the time, every time you need a card, right? So on our club set, we have with love, just because, sending hugs. This one, these all fit in the wreath. We have happy birthday, hey you, just a note, happy belated birthday, you got this, and keep smiling. So let me tell you, along with that and hello my friend, I think I got you covered just about on everything, right? Now, also we have in this bundle and releasing today, the tilted rectangles. Now, I know it doesn't look like much here, but when you see my samples, for example, let me show you this one. It adds so much personality to your cards. Let me show you another one. Look at this. Look at that. It's like, it's stitched too, which I know we all love our stitching, right? Let me just tell you, when your card, this is what you're going to use this die for. Can you tell I'm excited about it? When you make a card and you're like, okay, it's just missing something. It just needs one more thing. I just don't know what it is. Die cut this and add it to the background. Can you imagine what these would look like without those tilted rectangles on it? They'd be a little boring, right? But this adds the more extra personality to your card bases. And I still have more samples on that one. Now, last but not least, because when I made these stamps for the wreath, I sent it to the team. Everybody fell in love with it, of course. You know, we have the dies that match for the wreath. But a couple people on my team and Dina said, you know what? I wish there were some leaves I could throw in there a little bit. And oh, wouldn't it be fun if we had a bow for that wreath? Well, your wish is my command. Here we have the bow that goes on it and a whole bunch of different leaves. Now I added these leaves. There's the shadow and the regular part of it. And what I did was I made them a whole bunch of, like, this die has 4 on it. This die has 2, that one has 2, because that way, less chance to lose it, right? It's a little bigger, but you can run through a whole bunch of leaves at one time. Now, I'm just yak. Let's look at our samples. Now remember, I told you that horizontal stage. Look at this, you guys. Look at how adorable it is. Yes, it folds flat for mailing, and then when you open it up, look at how cute it is. It has that fun scallop on the back. Look at the wreath behind them. The wreath is behind them. So fun. Sending love. And then on the very back, it says, hello, my friend. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love that. Let's look at another one. Here's a cute one. Happy birthday, you little monster. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Now, a lot of you are saying, oh, I love that, Stephanie, but where is that sending love die? I want that sending love die. It's so cute. Come on. You know I got you covered. It's in this kit. Yeah, it's in here. So you have sending hugs and sending love. Both are in this kit. Just saying, just saying. Oh, here's that sending hugs again, but with our tilted rectangle. So you can use it separately as well, right? The choice is yours. Now, let's look at another. You guys, I'm telling you, if you only get one thing in the rest of your life, you have to get this card. Folds flat for mailing, A2 in size, A2 envelope, standard A2. And here we go, sending love with our bird houses. Oh my, I'm saving that one for last. That one's too good. That's last. That one's last. Let's look at the cute froggies. Look at Michelle added these cute little frogs sending hugs. Isn't that sweet? Again, it has that fun scallop on the back. See that fun scallop? Now, let's look at some wreaths. Oh, you guys, see? Now you see why I wanted you to be able to cut out the inside of that wreath, right? Because look at how gorgeous that is. And you don't want to cover up that gorgeous background. So then you can die cut the inside of that wreath. And look at that. Isn't that awesome? Or you could just use other products and use the bow and the leaves in a different way if you wanted to. Oh, here's another one, sending hugs with it die cut. Oh, beautifully colored in a light, it looks like watercolor, so pretty, or pencils maybe, so beautiful. Or, hey you guys, who's even saying you have to use those words with the wreath? Use it separately. Isn't that awesome? Just on a circle. Happy birthday. Isn't that fun? Sending hugs. I love it. Here's another one with love. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Hello, my friend. This is popped up on a whole bunch of pop dots, which is so fun. Adhesive foam. It just looks so amazing popped up, right? Now, if you got that word sayings, look at this. Make your own background. You guys, I'm falling in love with the idea of making your own backgrounds just with the word stamps. And look at how awesome that is. Sheila did this one, whole bunch of different ways. Turn them upside down, turn them sideways, turn them this way, turn them that way. Simple. This is one of the cards that you could make a whole bunch of and give them to your friends. Like give your friends a pack of 8 of these, the people that don't make cards. I know there's people out there that don't make cards. Can you believe it? But give them, like for their birthday, give them a set of these already made with the envelopes that match so they can send them to other people. Great, great idea. Oh, here is that tilted rectangle. I love it. Here's another one. Got to show them all to you. I love it. Now, that is what we have so far. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? And then lastly, this background, let me just share this background with you. It is, oh my goodness, I can't explain it. It is called Abstract Floral. And I know when I just show you the dies, you're like, oh, what? Well, get ready. Look at this background. Look at that background. It's A2 background. And I'm going to show you a couple just so you can see how gorgeous it is. This is with it embossed. This is with it die cut. But look at how gorgeous it is die cut. Here it is in a softer version with just pink and white. You guys, it goes perfect with our wreath, flower wreath. Oh, look at it here. Isn't that beautiful up at the top? And then here it is monotone, so doing both colors at the same time. I'm sorry, the same color at the same time on top of each other, and it looks like a faux embossing. Isn't that awesome? You are gonna run to this background all the time. It's probably gonna be one of my more favorite ones because you can do like a rainbow behind it and then put this on top and it's gonna look stunning. So club members, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on every product on our website. Make sure you go check this out if you are a club member. If you're a club member, and if you're not a club member, go join now and then come back. If you're a club member, the first 24 hours on our website or until sold out, we have the bundle option that has all 6 brand new items that are not sent to you automatically. These are extra items that all coordinate together, including that horizontal stage card. They're in a bundle at a special bundle price. Regular price, no. Flash sale price, no. Bundle price. No, no, no. Club discount on top of that. That's the price you're paying. I know, it's amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and I will see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.